y'all doing? How your mama now? We almost down here to the roundabout of death, and you know what's on the next? Barbie Beach. So, happy Mother's Day. I'll try to get this out Sunday. We'll see. Ooh, a pontoon boat. Yeah, run that intro. Coming up on the roundabout of death. So it shouldn't be too bad. It's 11:30, so traffic's not bad as it is in the evening time. People from Atlanta trying to get home, you know what I mean? You know what I mean, Vern? So it ain't gonna be too bad, though. People understand how to do a roundabout and not stop, because there ain't nothing coming. Go, 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 go. Well, we got two big trucks in front of us. What are they doing? They gonna widen the road, put a bigger turnaround, and yeah, probably so. Huh? So does that mean they tearing down Barbie Beach, making it wider? Oh, hope not. It looks that way. I mean, still, their property is not their property. Yeah, right there. It's still just a regular day at the beach. It looks like. Try not to wreck in the mud. In the mud. Mud. It's mud. It's damn mud. Check out Gregory At's second funniest man in the world. It's mud. It's mud. It's damn mud. You'll get it. Hello, folks. Welcome to Back North channel. Welcome back. Welcome to however you want to say it. So we want to walk down here to Barbie Beach. And all might be maybe the beach might be going away. I don't know. I don't think they can because you know that's their property line, that fence. So Barbie's on their side, but yet the power line's right there. So is this right away? But I guess it's the government. They can do what they want to. But it's like so many feet. But if they ride in the roads, is the center still the center? I don't know. Center still the center. They need to do a beach cleanup. Need some white sand out here. I figured they have it did up for Mother's Day. Maybe just an average day at the beach, I guess. They got like construction. Hey, that's a smarter cowboy. Hey, it's a smarter cowboy to you. Out to here without spinning out too much. Muddy, you know what I mean? Know what I mean, Vern? But a bunch of people don't know what Vern is, do you? Know what I mean, Vern? Hey, Vern! Google it, you might find out. There goes another fire truck up there, but he ain't got his lights on. Should have went. These cars, you don't never know if they're gonna go slow or go fast. Alright, let's get on out here. We're gonna try to get out here. Get going. Mr. State Trooper down here, or County Mountie. I believe it's a County Mountie. Yeah, he gonna pull out there now. He sat up there and watched us, and then he gonna pull out in front of us. Oh well. It was a county mountie. Alright, we'll, this is the town Turin, Georgia. See, there's the post office. T-U-R-I-N, Turin. Yep. So go check out the other Barbie Beach right here. Last time we was here, and then down here is another Barbie Beach, or yeah, maybe. And check the subscribe button out here. Give me a like, thumbs up, and we'll see you at the beach. Probably not.